You know what's sad? Vision doesn't disappear overnight. It slips away quietly, piece by piece, usually while you're asleep. Lamps don't shine as bright as they used to. Letters blur, glasses feel useless, and night driving becomes terrifying, headlights stabbing like knives, street signs melting into the dark. Confidence behind the wheel? Gone. And this isn't just an annoyance. This is the slow death of eyesight. Every night, the retina and lens get weaker, more inflamed, less capable of repairing themselves. Most people don't even notice until it's too late. Eyes don't truly rest at night, they're supposed to rebuild. But without the right support, they can't. That's where food becomes the difference between vision and blindness. For simple soups, ordinary bowls you could make at home, hold the power to fight back. Miss them, and the damage keeps spreading silently. Alright, let's go into first soup. Pumpkin soup. Warm, creamy, not just taste good, but strong for eyes. This not some internet trend. Pumpkin when cooked soft in soup, it give body beta-carotene, lutein, vitamin A. These not just big words. These be food for retina. Retina be part of eye catch light, send signal to brain, like old camera film. But when get old, retina get hurt by stress, by free radicals breaking cells. Beta-carotene from pumpkin turn to vitamin A. Vitamin A make rhodopsin, protein in eye help see in dark. If hard for eyes to go from bright room to dark place, that rhodopsin problem. Pumpkin also got lutein and zeaxanthin. These sit in macula, center of retina, work like sunglasses inside eye. They block blue light, save retina from damage. Study even show people who eat food with carotenoids less risk for macular degeneration, big cause for blindness after 60. Pumpkin got zinc too. Zinc move vitamin A from liver to eye. No zinc, vitamin A can't reach where it need. When soup eaten at night, not heavy food, body take in nutrients slow and steady, right time for repair when sleep. Second soup. Bone broth. Many people think only for joint pain or stomach. But bone broth also big for eyes. I made mostly from collagen. Cornea, vitreous gel inside eye, even lens, all need collagen. With age, collagen drop. When that happen, eyes get dry, feel gritty, too sensitive to light, floaters come, vision less clear. Bone broth give collagen, glycine, proline, hyaluronic acid. These be raw material body use to rebuild tissue, also inside eyes. Studies show glycine protect retina from damage, keep vision strong. Bone broth liquid, easy for body, also give hydration before sleep. Best broth come from good bones, grass-fed beef, free chicken, or fish bones. Add vinegar when cooking, pull out minerals. If no time make, can buy organic low-salt broth or powder. Third soup. Lentil soup. Many think vision loss only age or family. But blood sugar also big danger. Even small high sugar damage tiny blood vessel in retina. With time, vessels leak, block, or die. Then retina starve, vision blur, black spots, bad night sight. This not only in diabetic. Even little high sugar can start damage. Lentil help stop this. Lentils got slow carbs and fiber, stop sugar spike after food. That protects small eye vessel. Lentil also got polyphenol, fight stress in eye tissue. Studies show legumes like lentil protect eye cell when sugar high. Lentils got folate, magnesium, zinc too. These help repair cell, move blood, support vision. Soup light, easy to digest, no sugar spike at night. Good for stable blood sugar and less eye strain. Fourth soup. Spinach soup. Spinach full of eye nutrient. If problem with night vision, spinach be must. Age bring hard time in low light. Hard see clock in dark, hard drive at night, headlight blind. That mean retina photoreceptor not get what need. Spinach give lutein and zeaxanthin, strong antioxidant. These sit in macula, block blue light, cut glare, protect from stress. Big studies show people with high lutein and zeaxanthin much lower risk for macular degeneration. Spinach also got iron, help bring oxygen to eye. No oxygen, eye tire fast, heal slow. Spinach got vitamin K, nitrate, help blood flow, more nutrient reach eye at night. Cook spinach in soup, easy to digest, body take nutrient better. Add small oil like olive oil, help absorb fat-soluble nutrient. Now, how make it habit? Simple 7-night soup plan. Night 1, pumpkin soup. Night 2, bone broth. Night 3, lentil soup. Night 4, spinach soup. Then repeat pumpkin, bone broth, and finish week with your favorite. If cooking every day too much, make batch 2 or 3 soups at start week, eat later. Important thing is keep doing, not perfect. When eat soup, sit down, eat slow, let body digest. Don't eat heavy or sugar late at night, it hurts sleep and repair. After 1 week, eyes not brand new, but maybe less squint, less strain, better reading at night. Step by step, small progress. Many people think vision loss must happen with age. No. Eyes can heal if give right food, right care. Not fast, but slow steady. Simple warm soup can help more than pill or supplement. Keep going, keep gentle with body. Small habit like soup before bed can change future for eyes. If this message help, share with other, maybe someone also suffer eye problem. Leave comment, which soup you try first. Thank you for watching. Believe in body, believe in healing.